Hello everyone, welcome back to another video of my LeetCode playlist. And now we are going to solve LeetCode problem number 57, which is add binary. So basically, in this problem, you are given a two binary strings A and B, and your task is to add these two binary numbers and return their sum as the binary strings. While performing this addition, under carry values and just like in normal arithmetic, but using binary digits. So this is also very simple and basic even problem. So let's move to the code. So first of all, we create a string and answer. Then after we create a variable I and initialize it with a dot size minus 1 and int j equals to b size minus 1 and third variable is carry and carry equals to 0 while I greater than or equals to 0 or j greater than or equals to 0 or condition follows carry then int sum equals to carry. If I greater than equals to 0 then sum less than equals to a of I minus 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 0. This process will give us an integer value. Okay. Also j is greater than or equals to 0 then sum less than equals to b of I b of j minus 9 minus 0. After that, we add answer that's all equals to sum modulo 2 plus 0 and then carry equals to sum divided by 2. This process will give us the binary value of any number and then we will give us this binary number to get a final answer. Answer dot given and answer dot end will return answer. So let's check it. You can see that both the test cases are passed successfully. Thank you.